Hello children, from the chapter probability exercise 15.1 we have solved few numericals, but before we go ahead with the remaining numerical I would like all of you to have a quick revision of what I said is very important for you to learn and by heart. That is the formula of probability of an event, which is equal to total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Along with this, what you need to keep in mind is probability of an event E always lie between 0 and 1. Probability of an event must be equal to or greater than 0, or it must be equal to or less than 1. Second important thing is probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is always equal to 1, and from this we get other relation that probability of not E is equal to 1 minus probability of E. E stand for the event. Along with this, one very important thing which you will keep in mind, that the sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is always equal to 1. Children, these things are very important when it comes to the multiple choice questions, so please keep everything in mind. With this, we will move ahead with the next numerical of exercise 15.1, question number 8. The question is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is a red ball? So what is given to you? You are given a bag wherein 3 red balls and 5 black balls are there. Let's find out total number of balls in the bag. So the total number of balls in the bag is 5 black plus 3 red, that is equal to 8 balls. We are asked what is the probability that the ball drawn is red. Let's find out how many red balls are there in the bag. So the total number of red balls in the bag is equal to 3, and this is given to us. Now let's find out the probability by using our formula, that probability of getting a red ball is equal to number of red balls upon total number of balls. We have all the values with us. Let's substitute the values, and after substituting the values we get 3 upon 8, and so probability of getting a red ball is equal to 3 upon 8. Alright, let's move ahead. Now we are asked, what is the probability that the ball drawn is not red ball? So if it is not red ball, let's find out how to find this probability. So probability of not getting a red ball, meaning is that whenever you will take out the ball from the bag, it has to be black ball. So probability of not getting a red ball, that means probability of getting a black ball, isn't it? So how will we find that? Let's write our formula, number of black balls in the bag upon total number of balls in the bag. So substitute the values. Number of black balls are 5, total number of balls are 8, so 5 upon 8 is the probability of not getting a red ball. Alright, then there is another method for this, that probability of not getting a red ball is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a red ball. This is P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. E bar means not getting. So probability of not getting a red ball is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a red ball. So let's substitute the values. 1 minus, we have already calculated probability of getting a red ball, that is 3 by 8. 1 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon 8, and it is again the same answer. So there are 2 methods to find out of probability of getting not red ball. You can use any method, which you feel is easy for you. Alright, let's move ahead to the next sum. This is question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be a red marble? This is the first part of the sum. So what is the probability that the marble taken out from the box is a red marble? To use the formula for finding the probability, we need total number of marbles. So let's first find out that. We have 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. So total number of marbles in the box are 17. Since we have to find probability of getting a red marble, I'll write number of marbles which are red in color in the box is equal to 5. Now we can use our formula that probability of marble which is taken out from the box is red is equal to total number of marbles which are red in color upon total number of marbles in the box. We have both the values with us. Let us substitute the values. Number of red marbles are 5 upon total number of marbles in the box are 17. So 5 upon 17 is the probability that the marble taken out is red in color. The second part of the sum is, what is the probability that the marble taken out will be a white marble? So let's solve this. So we need total number of marbles which we have already calculated as 17. Total number of white marbles, it is given to us as 8. Let's use our formula that probability of marble which is taken out to be white in color is number of marbles which are white upon total number of marbles. We have all the values with us. So let us substitute 8 upon 17. So probability that the marble which is taken out is white in color is 8 upon 17. Moving to the third part of the sum, that what is the probability that the marble taken out will not be green? If it is not green, so it can be either red or white. Let's see how to solve it. So probability that the marble taken out is not green, that means it is equal to probability that the marble taken out either will be white plus probability that the marble taken out will be red. Both the probabilities we have already calculated. So let us substitute the values. That is 8 upon 17 plus 5 upon 17, and if you add it, you get 13 upon 17. So probability that the marble taken out will not be green in color is 13 upon 17. So I hope you're finding it easy because it's all the sums are based on the formula for finding the probability of an event. Alright. Now this can be solved by the other method also. I am telling you that we can use probability of not E is equal to 1 minus probability of E. So probability of marble taken out which is not green is equal to 1 minus probability of the marble taken out which is green. So this way also you can solve it. This you have to try on your own and try getting the answer. Your answer will be surely the same. Alright. So now the next sum. This is question number 10. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 rupees 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin? This is the first part of the sum. So to find out the probability that the coin is a 50 paise coin, we need to know how many total coins are there in the piggy bank. So let's find out that. So we have 100 50 paise coin, we'll write that as 100. We have 50 rupees 1 coins, so 50 coins. We have 20 rupees 2 coins, so we'll write 20. And there are 10 rupees 5 coins, we'll write 10. If you add all the coins together, you get 180 coins. So in the piggy bank, there are 180 coins. Since we have to find probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin, so we will first write down number of 50 paise coin, which is given to us as 100. Now we can make use of our formula. Probability of getting a 50 paise coin is equal to number of coins of 50 paise upon total number of coins. We have both the values. Number of coins of 50 paise are 100 and total number of coins we have calculated as 180. You cancel the 0 and reduce it to lower term. We get 5 upon 9. So the probability of getting a 50 paise coin is 5 upon 9. Alright. Now the second part of the sum is, what is the probability that the coin will not be a rupee 5 coin? So for this, we will first write the total number of coins in the piggy bank as 180, which we have already calculated. Alright. Then number of rupee 5 coins is equal to 10, which is given to us. We have to find out what is the probability that the coin will not be a rupee 5 coin. Alright, so we can make use of this formula. Probability of not getting rupee 5 coin is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a rupee 5 coin. So first of all, we'll find out probability of getting a rupee 5 coin, because we know that number of 5 rupee coins are 10. So we will first find out probability of getting a rupee 5 coin, and then we will substitute the values into this formula. So let's first find out probability of getting a rupee 5 coin, and according to our formula, it is total number of rupee 5 coins upon total number of coins. Now total number of rupee 5 coins we have written as 10. Total number of coins are 180. If you reduce it to lower term, you get 1 upon 18. So 1 upon 18 is probability of getting rupees 5 coins. What we are asked? We are asked what is the probability that the coin will not be a rupee 5 coin. So as I said, we will substitute the values into the formula which we have made. So let's substitute that. Probability of not getting a rupee 5 coin is equal to 1 minus probability of getting a rupee 5 coin. We have just calculated this. It is 1 minus 1 upon 18, and if you solve it, it is 17 upon 18. So this way you can solve the third part of the sum. Alright, sums are very simple. Whichever method is clicking in your mind after reading the sum, you have to use that method. So that's it for today's video lesson. We will continue doing the remaining sums in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.